Myself, Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today, in this video lecture, I will explain you the remaining part of the poem Hiroshima, composed by Sachidanand Vatsayan Agye. Instant of a sun's rise and set, vision, annihilating flare, one compressed noon. First of all, I define you the word meaning. Instant. Instant means moment. Annihilating flare. Annihilating means visible. Flare means sudden blaze. So annihilating flare means something that kills or destroys the human vision, and flare means sudden blaze. Compressed noon. There was no noon because of the rising and setting of the sun in a moment. In this stanza of the poem, the lines are very much ironic and thought-provoking. The poet says that during the dance of the death in the middle of the Hiroshima city, the sun rises and sets in a very short time. As a result, all the visions, dreams and aspirations of human beings were smashed to pieces. The implied meaning is that the terrible blast of the bomb flashed out very suddenly and also subsided in a moment. So both the rising and the setting of the sun were done within a very short period of time. We know that the sun generally rises in the morning and sets in the evening, but here in the city of Hiroshima, the whole process of the sun from morning to evening were confined to few seconds at noon of the day. This is why the poet uses the phrase one compressed noon. This phrase also shows the cruel and inhuman activity of human being to change the rule of nature. This reminds us of William Wordsworth, a great poet of Romantic school of poetry, who once says, "To her fair works did nature link the human soul that through the me ran, but much it grieved my heart to think what man has made of man." This brutal activity of human being without any rhyme or reason, also very similar to the description made by Agye. And then, it was not human shadows that lengthened, paled, and died. It was men suddenly become as mist, then gone. The shadows stay, burned on rocks, stones of these vacant streets. The extended metaphor of the sun has been again very beautifully used in this stanza, in which the poet says that it was not human shadows that lengthened, paled, and died. The only shadows that stay are the shadows of the burning rocks and stones of these vacant streets. This poetic and metaphoric description present a very realistic picture of that situation caused by the atom bombs. The poet is of the opinion that all men of the city Hiroshima were died as suddenly as the mist. Mist means fog, through which it is difficult to see. So, in the natural process of the day, The heat of the sun dries the mist on the blades of the grass, but here this man-made fierce and horrible bomb end of the life of man within a very few minutes. The only thing that stays in this city is the shadows. Again, here the term shadow has got a number of meanings. For example, at first it suggests the dark aspects of that satiric behavior of man. It also denotes the strain and scar made by the merciless mankind towards the innocent mankind. These dark shadows have haunted the civilization and is still haunting and will be haunted in the next generation. So only thing that stays today is the shadows. On the second scale of the meaning, the shadows here also denotes the shadow caused by the flame of burning rock and stones of the vacant streets, as there were no people in the city. A sun conjured by man converted man to air, to nothing. White shadows singed on the black rock give back man's witness to himself. Now I tell you the word meanings of these lines. Conjured means appeared suddenly as if by magic. Converted means changed. Singed means burnt, leaving a mark. These last lines of the poem convey the poet's message to such men who were tempted by the power and authority, fame and popularity. It also shows how it was a great folly of human being to destroy the other human being. Here the phrase a sun doesn't denote the God-made sun made by for the welfare of the whole flora and fauna. Here a sun with indefinite article a, and note the definite article shows the indefinite fate of human being bound to be shattered in the days to come if man keeps on making such type of suns for the annihilation of human being. So it is the message of the poet that such type of sun or bombs conjured by man will do nothing but to convert man to air or to nothingness. The phrase white shadows is very ironic in this context. It suggests the so-called modern materialistic development of modern science, for which men are always boasting and bragging on their achievements. But truly speaking, these white shadows or the modern generation is burning slightly on the black rock made by man. So the witness of this great havoc and tragedy done on the innocent people directly go to the modern man who is quite insensitive and cold to nature and to his own human brethren. So here in this poem, Agge depicts the horrors of war which have been presented in the form of thousands of people killed in an instant. The man-made sun burned the people and reduced them to ashes. Even the rocks and stones of the vacant streets were burnt, and a mark was left on them as a witness. The poet here has contrasted natural life-giving sun and the man-made death-dealing atom bomb. The poem is written in free verse. So I have explained you the entire poem Hiroshima, composed by Satchidanand Vatsayan Agge. So thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.